Alright boys, it's been a rough start to 2022, so we're going to try a new investing approach this year. We're going to rank 5 CEOs by how hard they'd be to take in a fight and trade their stock accordingly. Here's me, not a particularly big dude, standing at 67 inches on a good day and weighing in at 155 pounds. But I've been watching a lot of Cobra Kai lately, so I'm pretty much an expert in both Miyagi-Do and Eagle Fang martial arts. Let's square up. First challenger, Warren Buffett, CEO of Berkshire Hathaway. Let's keep it real, the man might have some decent money, but this is one old dude. I don't care if he's got body at 183 pounds and 5'11 in height. If I throw hands with the buffet, I'm going to absolutely dominate every single round. 1 out of 10, Berkshire is an easy short this year. Price target, 340 grand on their Class A shares and 230 on the Class B. Next on the mat, it's Lisa Su, CEO of AMD. I can't imagine fighting Su Bei because she's one of my favorite CEOs, but if we're squaring up, I'm not going to hold back. Standing at 5'1" and weighing in at 110 pounds, this doesn't sound like much of an opponent, but I've got a feeling Lisa Su is tougher than she appears. When she became CEO in 2014, AMD was falling apart with a $3.50 stock price. In a male-dominated industry, you know she had to crush some dudes who thought they were hot shit to bring this company back. I think I can take this chick down with no problem. I just have to be on the lookout for her fangs. 2 out of 10, this is another easy short. Price target, $85 by summer. Next victim, it's Papa Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, SpaceX, and some junior varsity offshoots. Standing at 6'2" and weighing 180 pounds, Elon is a bigger dude than I expected. I've got no doubt he's got some firepower behind his punches, but what the guy has in size, he clearly lacks in finesse. I don't see any evidence that Elon has any footwork, and it looks like he's just waiting to get hit. If I stay on offense, I've got a pretty good shot at keeping the richest man in the world on his back foot. 5 out of 10, this is a pretty even fight. We're going to hedge our bets by selling 6-month strangles at the $1,100 by $1,000 strikes to collect about 30 grand in premium. Not a bad purse no matter how this fight goes. Next, we're starting to get into more dangerous territory. I'm squaring up with Sir Richard Branson, CEO of Virgin Galactic, ticker SPACE. This might seem like an odd opponent to take on this late in the game. At 5'10" and 191 pounds, he's got a little bit of body on me, but at 71 years old, he doesn't have the stamina to match my Sigma male physique. What makes this old British guy so dangerous is his proficiency in martial arts. What you may not know about Branson is that he trained under the instruction of Kung Fu master Didijin in Ethiopia in the 1980s. And after having watched season 4 of Cobra Kai in like 3 days, I can promise you with 100% certainty that old rich guys with extensive karate experience will absolutely rock your shit if you step out of line. I think my shot at beating this geezer is going to boil down to my ability to deliver a strong flying karate chop followed by the sinking viper technique. You can see this technique is pretty lethal, significant damage here. I've just got to deliver it before his jutsu reaches full power. This fight is definitely an 8 out of 10. I can't believe I'm saying this, but we're going long SPACE shares. Price target, $49. And finally, I'm stepping onto the mat with legendary boxer Mike Tyson, CEO of Tyson Ranch Cannabis, where his minions earn him about $500,000 a month selling the devil's lettuce. I'm not even going to bother checking his height and weight. There really is no way to water this down. Tyson could probably knock me out with both arms behind his back, and the last thing I'd hear before I fade to black is his trademark lisp calling me a punk bitch. This fight is an 11 out of 10. If Tyson Ranch goes public, we're looking at a strong long play scooping up as many shares as we can get. I think this is some pretty good DD, and I'm looking forward to flipping my portfolio from red to green this year. I'd like to thank Tendies for sponsoring this production and hooking me up with this bomb-ass gi. If WallStreetBets isn't quite degenerate enough for you, hop on over to Tendies and we'll get absolutely stupid. Tendies, available now only on iOS. Click the link in the description to learn more.